You telling me that you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
What's up, everybody? It's your girl KB, and welcome to my channel. You already know what to do. Click the subscribe button down below. Y'all, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys this look that I did. A look that is great for, you know, all day, any day, a perfect occasion, any occasion. And I will be using these bomb-ass Ioni lashes, you guys. These are fantastic. They were only $1 at the Dollar Tree. So I suggest you go get some right now. So if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so I've been starting with my eyebrows already. All I do is take a black brown pencil from NYX and I just fill in my eyebrows. I just do, like, you know, hair-like strokes on my brows. I don't, like, you know, line them and then, you know, do that step, whatever everybody else do. I don't know. I just fill my eyebrows in. I just feel like my eyebrows are, you know, naturally perfect. So there's no need for me to do all that spending 20 hours, 30 hours on, you know, getting my eyebrows right. Okay, now that I get my eyebrows stamped on, I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal Perfect Concealer in the shade Warm Tan. So I'm going to be cleaning up my eyebrows with this. I'm just going to be shaping them up. Just making sure everything is crisp and clean underneath here. And I'm just gonna follow like the shape of my brow. I'm not going like straight across, and I'm not going that way. I'm just going following the shape of my brow. Okay, so all I did was take the rest of the concealer that I used for my brow and I just put it on my lid, and you know, I blended it on out. Like so, like that. And no, I'm not going to set the eye with any like setting powder or anything like that. I'm just going to go right in with the eyeshadow. Okay, so for my transition shade, I'm using this reddish brownish tint that's up in the palette, and I'm just working this all up into the upper kind of like crease of my eye, and just gonna, like, you know, fade it, shade it in. And I'm really like making that color stand out by, you know, packing a little bit more of it on. So I'm just gonna, you know, do both eyes and then I'll be right back with the next shade. So next I'm just taking this darker brown shade and I am just working this literally up into the crease of my eye. So next I'm just gonna go with this dark brown, and I'm just gonna like pop that like right here into the center of the eye, like right down below where there was like a little bit of space left. And I'm just gonna put that right there, and I'm just gonna like really blend that out. And just to blend that dark shade out just a little bit more, I'm going to go back in with that the other brown shade and just, like, you know, blend it out. Make sure it all looks together. And I'm going to take some of the dark shade and just put it on the outer corner. Just like that. And it's a lot of blending, y'all. I'm just making sure things are like blended together, like so, like that. Okay, so I don't have any eyeliner, but what I'm going to do is take the black shade that is in the palette, and I am taking the black shade and I'm just shading and fading this black out at the bottom towards my eyelash. And I'm just gonna smoke it out. So this is all I'm going to do for the eyeshadow part, whatever. So now I'm going to pop on these Ioni lashes, you guys. I got these at the Dollar Tree, so they were exactly $1. They're long, wispy, full, and dramatic. I love them, love them. So I got me a couple pairs of them. And you can find them on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all that jazz. So I'm going to pop these lashes on real quick, and then I'll be right back. But make sure you are clicking that subscribe button because, honey, that is it. That is all I gotta say, period. Okay, so I finally got my eyelashes on, you guys. These are the Ioni lashes. I got these, like I said, at the dollar store. Bomb as hell, long, wispy, and dramatic. There was another style, but I like these ones better. So stop what you're doing, y'all, and go get these lashes right now. Y'all would have thought I paid like $12 for these. Absolutely not. These were $1 something. Like, I can't believe it. These lashes are good as hell. They went on easily. Pop, boom. I'm going in with this e.l.f. Illuminating face primer. I'm just going to do a couple pumps of that, and I'm just going to put it all over my face. So next, y'all, I'm just going in with this Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 11. And I'm just going to put this directly underneath the eye. No foundation on first. I'm just going to put this directly under my eye. Just like that. And so what I want to do now, I just take the Milani Conceal into 2-in-1 Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. Lord have mercy, I can't never get my words out. So I'm just gonna go right underneath this concealer and put the foundation on. Looking crazy right now, y'all, but trust the process. So I'm going to blend out this foundation. I'm not blending out the concealer out just yet. So I'm just blending out the foundation. I'm just going to blend out the foundation. Like that. And then now I'm going to take this concealer brush and I'm just going to buff out this concealer. Okay, so I'm going to add on some more concealer. So I'm just going to take that Milani concealer and I'm just going to put a few little dabs under the eye just so I can make it a little bit brighter for the under eye. And so I'm just going to take out this brush I just used and I'm going to blend it out. I'm just going to take it down and blend it. Next, I'm just going to set my face with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Oh, y'all, my fan freaking broke. The fan that I always use, it broke when I was doing my cousin's makeup. I went like, boop, and it just really fell apart. Tragic. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is take some loose setting powder by Maybelline. And I'm just going to take some of this Maybelline loose setting powder and just place it underneath my eyes. And I'm just like pressing the hell out of it, making sure that it's all pressed in the eye. Then I'm going to take some more, place it under. Making sure that's pressed in. Okay, so I'm going to set one more time on my face. Like so, like that. So next I'll be using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I'm using the brown shade as a contour. I always use this shade for like everything. So you already know this look would not be completed if I did not use this brown liner for my lips. So I'm using the Wet n Wild Cloud Pout. It's a marshmallow lip mousse. And I'm just gonna put this in the center of my lips. It actually smells like marshmallows. Okay, so I will be using this highlight and bronzer palette. I'm just taking like the slightest of a highlight and just gently on my nose and then on my cheeks. Just like that, nothing more, nothing less. Y'all, my dog is barking, like he will not shut up. Like all that squealing stuff. Somebody come get him because I'm about to just kick him out. So you guys, this is the final look. This came out really cute. This look is great for like any occasion, churches, weddings, funerals, baby showers, etc. You know what I mean? So this is really cute. Y'all, and I did use the Ioni lashes, you guys, and I got these at the dollar store for exactly $1. So I couldn't help but to grab like a couple pairs of them. So yeah, they're long, wispy, dramatic, full. Like I really loved these, like as you can tell. Yeah, so go get y'all some. So if you like this look, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, whatever you want to do, just show your love, your support. But yes, this came out really nice. So yeah, I am your girl KB, but make sure you are clicking that subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next video.